bag na bigat tayo amin apo. So, activity projects me for the year 2025. So far, before the election ban is out of 626 projects, 621 i-bid, so na-award. So out of that 621, we requested for exemption. So during the election ban, so nagkaroon na the accomplishment sa ongoing legitimate project. So DJ Upat is na-rebid due to failure of bidding. So during the election ban, we after na mag-lapse etong ban, so ipapa-rebid namin ulit. At saka yung mga additional projects na dumating kagaya ng DA, DepEd, so pwede na namin i-schedule your bidding, yung bidding niya.
Okay sir, so ano kang runaan nga proyekto dito sir, more on kulat na iti kalsada kato which is
yes, dito projects under the GAA, GAA so dito solar lights, roads, multipurpose building, flood control. So within dito bypass roads, ken dito Pansyan Viaduct is implemented by the regional office. Pero so far, as per info, yung isang package within doon sa viaduct is nabid na. So yung isang package ulit is scheduled for bidding para ito. Pero lahat yan is pondo ng 2025.